Compute the DFT of the following sequence x of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. The given discrete time sequence x of n contains 4 samples. Those 4 samples are, this nothing but this indicates 0 sample n equal to 0. There are 4 samples, those are 0, 1, 2, 3. For this given sequence, we are supposed to calculate DFT. So, if the sequence contains 4 samples, hence the length of the DFT becomes 4, n equal to 4. So, n equal to 4 means W of n, W of n to the, this n is what? N is 4. Hence, we have to calculate W of 4. W of 4 means e to the power minus j 2 pi by 4. That is e to the power minus j pi by 2. Okay, this is the total factor. But power term kn is there. Power term kn is there. Multiplied by kn. The value of kn varies from 0 to 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1 means n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 means that is 3. The value of kn varies from 0 to 3. Hence, we are going to calculate 4 total factor values. W of 4 to the power 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Because n minus 1, n equal to 4, 4 minus 1 means 3. The value of kn becomes, kn is 0, 1, 2, 3. And further values are written as per the property of periodicity. W of 4 to the power 3. So n equal to what? 4 is there. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So the value of W of 4 to the power 3 we calculated in radian mode, that is j. J is same for all these 3 values. Similarly, all the values we have to calculate and we have to write. Next, we have to write in the matrix format. W of 4 is equal to n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So all the values you have to write and all these entries we have to calculate. That is 0 multiplied by 0, 0. So first row becomes 0 and first column becomes 0. Then 1 multiplied by 1, W of 4 to the 1. 1 multiplied by 2, it is 2. This is 3. And it is 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. Hence, we calculated all the entries of total factor matrix. So using calculator, so anything power term is 0 means power of anything is what? 1. So first row elements becomes 1. Similarly, first column elements becomes 1. And remaining things we have to calculate. How to calculate? First, I will take one example. W of 4 to the power 3. So e to the power minus j 2 pi by n. N is 4. Minus e to the power minus j 2 pi by 4 multiplied by 3. Simplify what we are getting. E to the power minus j 3 pi by 2. That is cos of 3 pi by 2 minus j sine of 3 pi by 2. So after simplifying this one, we are getting the answer j. So what we calculated? This value we are calculated. As per the property of periodicity, W of 4 to the power 3 is equal to 7 is equal to 11. Okay. Likewise, we have to calculate all these entries except first row, except first column, because first row entries and first column entries are 1 because power term is 0. And remaining entries we have to calculate in radian mode and write the matrix for the total factor. So let us calculate. So by using calculator, as I told, first row entries becomes 1 and first column entries becomes 1, and remaining things we have to calculate. I calculated here. So x of 4, that is in representing the discrete time sequence in matrix format, small x suffix 4 is equal to, it is given 0, 1, 2, 3. And definition of DFT as a linear transformation, I written an n-point DFT equation, nothing but 4-point DFT equation in terms of matrix, that is xn capital X suffix n equal to total factor matrix multiplied by small x suffix n. So n equal to 4 is there. Hence x of 4 equal to W of 4 multiplied by small x of 4. Hence, write in the definition of DFT, capital X of 4 equal to total factor matrix already we calculated multiplied by given discrete time sequence and multiply the things. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 row multiplied by column. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. Hence, 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 6. Similarly, coming to the second row, 1 multiplied by 0, 0. Next, minus j multiplied by 1, it is minus j. Minus 1 multiplied by 2, minus 2. J multiplied by 3 plus 3j. So simplify, minus 2 and minus j plus 3j, it becomes plus 2j. Similarly, third row, 1 multiplied by 0, 0. Minus 1 multiplied by 1, minus 1. 1 multiplied by 2, plus 2. Minus 1 multiplied by 3, minus 3. Simplify, minus 1 plus 2 minus 3, it becomes minus 2. Similarly, last row, 1 multiplied by 0, 0. J multiplied by 1 plus j. Minus 1 multiplied by 2, minus 2. Minus j multiplied by 3, minus 3j. Simplify, it is minus 2, minus 2j. Hence, we calculated 4-point DFT for the given sequence, that is x of 4, capital X suffix 4 equal to, it varies from 0, 1, 2, 3. Already we calculated 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. Hence, we are going to write the given result x of 4 equal to 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j, because it also contains 4 samples. N equal to 0, first sample, second sample, third sample, and 4 samples. This is about calculation of n point DFT for the given discrete time sequence.